What is going on, everyone? I'm Cameron. I'm here, your host, for a breaking news update for, guess what? VanEck ETF is dropping. It's not the spot one, the spot price. It's a futures-backed ETF. But nonetheless, I dropped a video today saying that the SEC would not grant VanEck a Bitcoin ETF. Granted, like I just said, it wasn't the spot one, a spot price ETF, it was the futures price. But nonetheless, they got it out. Let's break it down. What's going on, everyone? So, let's go over here and let's talk about this article. Okay, that's up on CoinDesk.com, and I literally just dropped this video talking about how the SEC was never gonna grant VanEck a Bitcoin ETF. Lo and behold, I dropped that video 10 an hour later. Boom! I'm at work and my newsfeed blows up, and I'm like, seriously, VanEck just got their ETF listed by CBOE? Let's go. Let's dig in. Let's just go straight into the article itself. Okay. So here's the article. I got it pulled up. Let's go right into it. It says right here, VanEck to launch Bitcoin Futures ETF XBTF next week after SEC rejects spot offering. Chicago-based CBOE exchange says in website posting that the VanEck Bitcoin Strategy ETF will start trading Tuesday under, like we said before, ticker symbol XBTF. And let's just get into the meat really quick. Let's gloss over the sauce. Let's just stick a fork right in the meat, okay? And I'm just gonna jab this knife in here and just go what's going on with it, okay? So it is right here. VanEck ETF going live next week is now going to join a Bitcoin Futures ETF, a roster of Bitcoin Futures ETFs. Over the past month, following years of denials and deferrals by the SEC for a Bitcoin ETF to track the cryptocurrency's price. Some industry commentators have noted that the ETF backed directly by Bitcoin would more closely track the cryptocurrency's price than one tracked by futures. Again, this is definitely, in my opinion, I agree with this statement by these commentators. But if all we can get is futures and we can't get something for spot, we can't do the spot price, hey, the industry's going to eat it up. And listen, in October, the SEC greenlit, remember, this is one of the first Bitcoin ETFs ever, the SEC greenlit the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, stock ticker BITO, which subsequently listed on the New York Stock Exchange. The fund quickly gathered more than $1 billion in investor assets, the fastest ETF ever to hit the milestone. So, again, now that institutional investors can allocate this into a portfolio a lot easier than holding on to the physical product or the physical Bitcoin on their hardware, man, this is just going up for Bitcoin. This is nothing but positive, great news for Bitcoin and the greater and wider blockchain / cryptocurrency, crypto blockchain ecosystem, okay? And that's just so crazy. I dropped that video, and next thing you know, literally I dropped that video an hour later, this came out. VanEck BTF or ETF XBTF is the ticker is being listed, and then whoa, this was an hour after I dropped that video. So just a quick update, what's going on, stay safe and get those gains.